we have an application that works offline with no roaming costs. Imagine yourself getting in London to the Olympic Games. There's no Brazilian that wants to arrive in London and knowing that when he arrives in Brazil, you'll have a huge amount of money to pay in roaming costs. So offline maps, photos, and tailor-made history. We do not make a replica of Wikipedia. All the contents are made by historians, by travelers, so that your experience could be as unique as we are telling you that it is in fact. The usability of an iPhone, so you can see it's very user-friendly, and when you have an application that works in iPhone and iPad and Android, and this is how it really works. So imagine yourself, you get in London, you can see what's going on in London, what events are in the city. You pick up today and another 5 days, every day. You say how much time do you have, and if you need to return to the place where you are, the convention center, the hotel, Heathrow, then you can listen to real voices. This is not a machine talking with you. In fact, we have a woman and a man talking about the city. And then you can customize the option. Imagine you are in London, you already saw the Buckingham Palace, and you can customize, put out the Buckingham Palace, and put in some other place that you want to visit in London. So this is what makes our application so special, and I invite you to send an email to info@justintimetours.com so that I can offer you a guide, and so that you can see it's a unique experience. Because we are always just in time to become a tourist.
So I want to go to Istanbul. How are you going to find somebody to provide the content?
This is a spin-off from the University of Coimbra, and now we're coming to Brazil. We've worked in the European Union, so you use the academic connections to pick up historians and travelers from the places where we want to make. For instance, I've worked in Adana, which is the third biggest city in Turkey, so it wouldn't be a problem to make the Istanbul guide.
And how much can you pay that guy to provide content?
Sorry? How much are you going to pay?
Yeah. What's the cost of creating content?
Oh, creating content? It depends if I'm talking with an historian, with a PhD, a traveler. This could have a cost, because we also have our own team of historians that makes the revision and that puts all the guides in the same level. So we rely on the writer, but we have our own edition team to put all the guides in the level of prime that we want to retrieve.
How much would it cost each guide?
Each guide costs $5.99. In the beginning of the brand, the market, we started with the B2C, so selling the apps to the final customer. And now that we have several cities and it's gaining some public recognition, we are trying to go B2B. So imagine a brand that wants to have a premium guide of São Paulo and wants to join its brand. So now we have two models, B2C, a paid app, and B2B, a free app, the same prime content, but attached with the brand.
I didn't understand if it's a crowdsourced app. If I want to put to upload a guide,
no,
I can do that?
No, you can't, because this is, like I told you, it's a tailor-made history, so every content it's made for a format, so it's not open. It's not open because we cannot control, this is not a forum, this is tailor-made content, excellent content. We cannot open it to just someone that thinks that he knows a good story. It must be a real story, very well written.
Muito obrigada. Nosso próximo aplicativo é o APPcircus.
Boa noite, meu nome é Fernando Vascondes. verdade, eu sou investidor anjo na MNI, o pessoal não pôde vir de Shanghai, então eu vou fazer a apresentação por eles. Vamos lá. Bom, o survey que eles fizeram lá na Ásia diz que a maioria dos jogos educacionais são boring, não são ativos, e crianças não conseguem engajar tanto e acabam não aprendendo nada. Em cima disso, eles acabaram fazendo um jogo de pinball, que a maioria que as crianças estão jogando esse jogo, eles acabam aprendendo alguma coisa em cima disso. Vocês podem ver que existem diferentes tipos de animais. E à medida que a criança vai jogando, vai aparecendo alertas, e esses alertas vão dando informações das diferentes espécies que estão em extinção ou que tem algum problema acontecendo com elas, né? Free to play. Sorry, I'm going to have to switch to English. It's free to play. Basically, you can download on the Google Play or also Apple Store, and the traditional model of freemium. Right, you can buy different animals, and you can write different stickers and things of that nature. The app was launched locally in the Philippines, Australia, and also in Canada, and received good feedback. And basically, after I joined in, we come up with some different spins on that. World release is going to come soon. They're going to have some special Animals Edition, and also it's going to have different places like Amazon, China, North Pole, Southeast Asia, and Australia. And you're going to be able to buy a tree, donate to WWF, and also brand sponsorships. I think that's it. Those are the guys from Shanghai that could not make it. Thank you. Never thought it's going to be that hard, actually. Usually I'm on the other side, I'm on your side, asking what's the revenue model. And right now I'm here. There you go.
O que é game educativo? Ele fala dos animais,
então, à medida que você vai, eu até posso te mostrar com mais detalhe quando você jogar o jogo, você vai jogando o pinball, ele vai aparecendo alertas à medida que você vai atingindo certos itens, mostrando existem tantos fundos no mundo, existem tantos animais em extinção daquela espécie, a África tem tantos caçadores que estão matando tantas espécies e assim por diante. Então a gente já traduziu o jogo para português e espanhol também.
Então, no final é conteúdo educacional aleatório, não é?
É focado basicamente nessa versão que tem agora, focado em animais da África. Depois vai ter animais da Amazônia, vai ter animais do Polo Norte, animais do Southeast Asia, animais da China e assim por diante. Então é muito focado, educacional, dos conteúdo que você vê da WWF, por exemplo.
Sim, você pode usar essa plataforma para outros tipos de...
Sim, pode ser usado para outros tipos de jogos educacionais.
Como é que funciona esse modelo? Você não tem stickers, tem doações, etc. E o retorno como é que funciona?
Desculpa?
O retorno para sustentar o sistema e...
O retorno, revenue model, right? So let's go revenue model. To reach traction, basically, is preload deals. I cannot disclose the ones that we've been speaking with. Marketing budget basically is through PR and also through organizations like WWF and to organizations that plant trees. And basically how the donation works, I can discuss in more detail with you. That's it.
Muito obrigada.
Okay.